Start in Visual Studio Code and open the extensions view with Ctrl-Shift-X. Search for Cline, then verify the publisher before you install. The official listing is Cline by saoudrizwan with the legacy extension identifier saoudrizwan.claude.dev.
Click Install and wait for the extension to finish. If Visual Studio Code asks to allow a running extension or reload the window, read the prompt and confirm only after checking that the publisher is correct. When the Cline icon appears, the extension is ready to open.
Open Cline and select the settings gear. Choose an API provider, then choose a model. You can sign in to Cline Usage Billing, use ClinePass, bring your own provider key, or connect a local runtime such as Olama or LM Studio. Never show a real API key on screen.
Now run a safe first task in a disposable workspace. Ask Cline to create one file named hello.txt containing exactly hello from Cline and to change nothing else. Cline explains the proposed action before it touches the workspace.
Review the proposed diff before approving it. Confirm that only hello.txt is changing and that the content is exactly what you requested. Then approve the edit. Reviewing the diff is the habit that keeps an agent useful and predictable.
Plan mode is for exploration and strategy. Cline can inspect the workspace and propose a path, but it does not edit files or run commands. When you understand the plan, switch to Act mode. Act can execute the strategy, while approval prompts keep you in control.
Keep auto-approve conservative while you learn. Reading project files, editing project files, terminal commands, browser tools, and MCP servers are separate permission categories. Do not enable YOLO mode for a beginner workflow because it removes the safety gates.
The optional CLI brings Cline to the terminal. Install node.js20 or newer, then run npm install-gcline. Use Cline auth to configure a provider, Cline config to inspect settings, and Cline doctor to diagnose problems. Always check the current help output because CLI flags can change.
Cline can create checkpoints as it works. Use compare to inspect a snapshot and restore to return to an earlier workspace state. Demonstrate this only in a disposable folder. If this guide helped, subscribe for more practical developer tutorials.